Yeah, I think I alluded to one of them before, and that is the simple magnitude and complexity.
Yeah.
Or, maybe it's a non sequitur to say simple and the magnitude and complexity of the task at the same time here. But if you think about the fact that the Army's got over 1.4 million employees in this space, and they're located across a vast number of subordinate commands in nearly 150 countries, working on an unprecedented array of complex missions and tasks, many of which are very specialized in nature. You get a feel for this, but it's very difficult to quantify that kind of a challenge. It's just very complex.
Yeah.
It's a large magnitude. The problem then becomes, how do you assure critical access for all those folks doing all those things to the data and services that they really need to have access to, while properly downsizing our infrastructure to maximize our efficiency, reduce our costs through consolidation, all while maintaining that vital element of security that several on this panel have referred to
seamless and keeping
before.
everything running the whole time you're doing it.
Plus, we can't tolerate disruptions. We have to have continuous service. So this is the magnitude and the complexity of the problem. I think that's the biggest one. Secondly, I would say that after our first couple of years of getting after this, we realize the longer-term consolidation challenge is really related to a separate process that we refer to as application rationalization.
Okay.
In other words, it's not about the physical servers or consolidating them into a more efficient physical plant, but it's about what we've learned about the applications we're trying to run on those servers and the process we have to go through to decide which ones do we want to keep, because they can be modernized and put in a virtual environment and run on the high-tech, max efficiency, state-of-the-art facility that our industrial partners on the panel have been talking about. But on the other hand, we've got some that either can't be virtualized. We got to keep them temporarily because we don't know quite what to do with them yet, but we know we're going to have to eventually sunset them. And some we can kill immediately because we don't really need them anymore. So forcing ourselves to go through that is the second challenge that I kind of wanted to hit on.
Yeah, excellent.